To the Hill tonight, the political battle and American families who want to know when are we going to get help, including those $1,200 checks for individuals who make $75,000 or less and a check for less who make up to $99,000. Angry debate on the Senate floor, frustration after several votes fail. So what's going on? Here's Mary Bruce on the Hill tonight.
Tonight on Capitol Hill, frantic negotiations over the nearly $2 trillion bill to rescue the American economy.
We're very close to reaching a deal. Very close. And our goal is to reach a deal today.
But they're not there yet. Twice in 24 hours, Democrats have blocked the Republican bill, insisting it puts big businesses ahead of American workers and doesn't do enough to help families, healthcare workers, and hospitals. But Republicans say Democrats are playing politics.
This is not a juicy political opportunity. This is a national emergency.
The bill would give millions of Americans a $1,200 check and $500 per child. But the biggest sticking point, a $500 billion relief fund for corporations. Democrats say it's a slush fund to dole out money with few strings attached. On the Senate floor today, anger and frustration.
Is there objection?
Thank you, Mr. President.
I object.
The Democratic leader.
This
objection
is
heard.
unbelievable.
You know what the American people are thinking right now, Mr. President? They're thinking that this country was founded by geniuses, but it's being run by a bunch of idiots.
Congress tonight is racing the clock and the virus itself. Rand Paul, now the first senator and third member of Congress to test positive. More than a dozen lawmakers are in quarantine. Senator Amy Klobuchar's husband has tested positive and is in the hospital. The senator tweeting, "I love him, and not being able to be by his side is one of the hardest things about this disease." The White House acutely aware of the staggering economic impact of social distancing.
Our country wasn't built to be shut down. This is not a country that was built for this.
The president with that all-caps tweet, "We cannot let the cure be worse than the problem itself." Trump's closest ally on the Hill, Senator Lindsey Graham, is strongly pushing back, tweeting, "When it comes to how to fight coronavirus, I'm making my decisions based on healthcare professionals, not political punditry." Now, the Treasury Secretary has been shuttling back and forth between Mitch McConnell and Chuck Schumer's office all day long, trying to work this out. They're optimistic, but there is still no deal, and they're hoping those checks will go out to Americans early next month. But bottom line, we simply don't know when exactly that's going to happen.